Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Gifty here from Giiftihair. And today I'm super excited to show you how we install microlinks extensions for a flawless natural look. If you're ready to upgrade your hair game, stay tuned. I'll also be sharing how you can book your own appointment through Giiftihair.com with exclusive package deals for a full transformation. First, let's talk about microlinks. Microlinks are a fantastic, non-permanent way to add length, volume without using heat, glue, or sewing onto the scalp. These tiny, discreet beads hold your natural hair and the extensions together, giving you a seamless blend that looks and feels super natural. The best part? It's completely customizable to fit your style, whether you want some length, volume, or even color. Let's dive into the install. I'm going to walk you through the process so you know exactly what to expect when booking with us. We begin by sectioning off the hair and adding the extension strand with the microlinks bead. I use Giiftihair Body Wave 14-16-inch package deal to ensure a flawless blend. And there you go. Look at that flawless blend. So natural. And you can't even tell where the extension starts or stops. Plus, the best part, microlinks are so easy to maintain. Did you see that flawless blend? Flawless blend, okay? So now that you have seen the magic of microlinks, let's talk about how you can book your own appointment at Giiftihair.com. Head over to Giiftihair.com and you will see our easy to use booking system. All you need to do is select the service you're interested in, rather that be our microlinks or other hair extensions. You can even book a package deal which includes both the hair and install, saving you time and money. We offer exclusive package deals that combine the hair and install process, so you're not just getting our top quality extensions, you're also getting an expert install in one convenient booking. Plus, with our flexible scheduling, you can pick the time that works best for you, rather is during the day or our after hours. We got you covered. We know your time is valuable, so we've made everything super easy when booking with Giiftihair.com. From the consultation to the install, we're here to guide you through every step to ensure that you leave feeling fantastic. Whether you're looking for a quick boost of volume or a complete hair transformation, we're here to make your hair dreams come true. So if you're ready to take your hair to the next level, head over to Giiftihair.com and book your appointment today. Don't forget to check out our exclusive hair and install package deal. Just like the one you're watching, this is our microlinks install using Giiftihair.com Body Wave 14, 16, 18-inch web extensions to achieve this beautiful, flawless look. Thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you at the salon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who's ready to slay their hair goals. Until next time, keep shining and stay fabulous. It's Gifty, the gift to your hair, where your hair dreams become a reality. See y'all next time.